Hi YouTubers, it's been a month since we've been out in Herb, our motorhome, so we're keeping our fingers crossed everything is okay and all the batteries are charged, and Jane's just opening the gate so we can get in. There she is, and we're in through the security. That's good. I've just lifted the dehumidifier bags out the van, and this is after a month. Quite a lot of water in them. I'll put them in the car upright and we'll get rid of them when we get home. Just going to check the battery voltages. Shall I shut this door now?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. 11, 12.3, 12.5, that looks pretty good. Oh, look at the moisture everywhere. Right, I better wipe the windows down. Look at it, it's ringing. Okay, this will be the first start in a month. Turn the key, heaters. Pretty good. Just arrived at where are we? Normanton, and we're going to go to is it Riverside Cafe they call it or something?
No, we're going to walk to the church.
Yeah, walk to the church and hopefully we can get something in the cafe. And there's Herb parked up. Joan's got walking boots on, and let's go and have a look at the church, and then we'll come back and we'll go to the cafe if it's open. What level clothing today?
3.
Level 3. So you got your vest on?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a vest on. Oh, we'll keep us fingers crossed it stops like this, because the forecast is rain, isn't
Well,
it?
there's a band of rain, yeah.
Yeah, but it's lovely, isn't it? Look at that. And there we have it, the church. Rutland Water. Can't get close, it's a bit muddy. That's better. Look at that. That's where we're going. Smiling.
Yeah.
Out in our motorhome. First time in a month. Right, the old wind's come up. Oh, God, it's blowing here. Oh, it's bitter wind, that is.
It's coming from the north.
Yeah, it's coming from the north. God, look at that, some roots down there, look. No dragons in. I thought that was Ken from here. The red van. I haven't heard of the wee brown van for a while, have we? No. I wonder if Desmond's coming south.
It's got on it winter tour, hasn't it?
Yes,
Not
yeah.
quite.
No.
I just think that's
Yeah, yeah. Morning. Lovely day for it. Fisherman out there. Oh, yeah. It's like being on a boat standing here, isn't it? I'm the captain. Sykes Lane over there, where we're going later. In the distance, that side. Lovely old building. You wouldn't think this is just the top, the rest is underwater, well, underground now. Believe it or not, before I could get the camera switched on, half the cake's gone. Lemon drizzle. And we're sitting in our usual spot. And I've got a small cake. Well, it's a cake, it's a dragon shaped pasty. Now I've got cappuccinos. I can highly recommend the Waterside Cafe. Pasties, cooked breakfast, coffee, cappuccino. The staff are very pleasant. Really nice view out the window. And it looks like it's going to rain. And heading back to the van to move the motorhome. Right, we now moved to Sykes Lane. And the sun's out there. And the van's facing the sun with the solar panels, and going to walk towards Barnsdale after I've been to the loo. Level, you've got my waterproof trousers on, you look a right gypsy. It's a good view today. Fisherman, and is it a sculpture or an obelisk, what do you call it? I never remember. Look at that. Yeah, sculpture. Yeah. Well, what we're looking for today, we're looking for sea dragons. That's what we're looking for. I think we'll find one today. Hello! Hello, YouTubers! Lovely. Yeah. Right, that's it. Gotta slap it and tickle it, apparently. That's right, isn't it? You're right over there in the silhouette. There's the tree point, give it a slap and tickle. Day. Have we been lucky again? Forecast is rain. Yeah. There we have the Rutland Bell. Look, there's us two. Give a wave. Hello, you two little people. Look how blue it is. There's a chap working on the Rutland Bell. He's right on the roof, sanding. And you won't see it in the camera, but his backside sticking out of his trousers. Builder's bum. This is where we found a bottle, wasn't it, around here? Let's have a look, see if there's anything else in it. I can remember this seat well. We had a little stove, didn't we? And we had a brew. Yeah, so that's where you pick up the Rutland Bell behind that tree. Walk all the way along there.
Not a mile, isn't it?
Yeah, there's the dam, the causeway. The last time I was at Rutland Water, I found a very old glass bottle intact, but I found something today. It's sort of twisty piece of metal with a ring on the top like that, and it goes down to a point. It's about 18 inches long. No idea what it is, but I shall take that home. Kind of used for that. Don't know what. Yeah, don't know quite what that is. Okay, just heading back to the van. Just been to the toilet block, and I can't believe how warm it is. So boots are outside, so it's good. What oil's that? And it's frozen? Olive oil.
Frozen, it just sort of goes like paste. Like
Yeah, it goes like toothpaste, yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, yeah. Did the oven light alright?
Yeah, that's fine. What was difficult was getting, I couldn't get that to light.
Yeah, it probably wants more gas in it. Yeah.
Did you take it home?
Well, I'll check it.
The other one was on.
Let's have a look. What we got? We got quiche. We got quiche, tomatoes, mushrooms, and peppers. Yeah, that looks good. Good to me. Yeah, if the gas lasts.
Yeah.
If not, we'll take it home and have it. Okay, we've got our dinner. Thank you, dear. You look very smart as well. Oh. Now you've got your gypsy out clothes off. Look at that, quiche, mushrooms, peppers, tomato, and I'm not keen on Hillary, so you can have my Hillary if you want. Jane's finishing off with my donut.
Not your donut.
It is my donut. It's my donut, and because of that I've had to go and buy coffees because we're running out of gas. And I've got to settle for a cherry bakewell. Look at that.
Delicious.
And I've got a coffee over there. It's a cappuccino.
Thank you.
Are you enjoying my donut? Look, the sun's on you, look. The sun shines on the righteous, isn't it, or something? Piggy.